Obas, I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another one of my cooking episodes. As you can see, a new location. Yes, we have a new set for Jack the Greek videos from now on. This is our new home and welcome to our new home and welcome to our outdoor setting. Of course, we've got to thank our friends from Heat Strip and Crossray BBQs for our beautiful barbecue again. We have our outdoor kitchen with our outdoor fridge, and of course, over here we also have the sink on a beautiful stone bench. And of course, let's not forget our little mate, our little electric version, just here on the side for those quick and easy meals. But today, as you've probably seen in front of us, we've got a beautiful 1 kilo T-bone steak. It's Wagyu and it's SB4. If you have a look closely, look at that. Look at the marble. Beautiful. Look at that marble, beautiful Wagyu. And we're going to cook it on the Crossray BBQ. About 6-7 minutes on either side. It is 1 kilo. We want to leave it as medium rare. And we're going to complement it with some mushrooms, some carrots, and over here, some tomatoes and some asparagus. For our first meal, we're going to keep it nice and simple. We're going to enjoy the outdoors today with our beautiful setting, with our Crossray BBQ and our outdoor kitchen. We've been warming up our Crossray BBQ for about 4 or 5 minutes now with all 4 burners on high. I just brought it up to about 250 degrees and turned the burners on low. So, as you can see, look at that. Beautiful. And what we want is we want to make sure with any beautiful steak like this, especially Wagyu, that we cook it on a very high heat, at least to start with. And then we'll flip it over and cook the other side. But you've got to have a high heat. So let's go. Let's give it a go. Look at this beautiful Wagyu steak. Come in close and listen to that sizzle. Opas. Look at that. Here, you'll see we have our asparagus, our tomatoes, our carrots and our mushrooms. We're going to wait for at least 5 or 6 minutes before we put them on. But with the mushrooms, I'm simply just going to pass them through like this. Pass them straight through. And I'm just going to put them on the barbecue. Everything else is going to be just thrown straight on the barbecue. Okay, so we've got our 2 mushrooms, as I said. I'm just going to put them on the skewers, like a kebab, for cooking them. So coming close now, we've had our 1 kilo Wagyu T-bone steak on the Crossray BBQ now. As you can see, I've got the 2 burners on high now on the left to keep it nice and warm inside. And I've turned these 2 burners on low. So let's turn it over and have a look. It's a 1 kilo Wagyu beef. Look at that. Beautiful. There we go. So we'll cook it on this side now. We'll give that another 7 minutes. And while we're there, we are going to put our mushrooms on the side just there. We're going to also put on our asparagus. Just like this. And we're going to turn that on low as well because we don't want to burn anything. And our tomatoes can go, oh no, we'll put our carrots next. So with our carrots, here we are, we have some beautiful carrots. I really like these little ones, these baby carrots, they're nice and sweet. So what we'll do is I'm not going to take the leaves off, all those beautiful green, I'm just going to cook them on like that. Just like this. Put them on like that. And just let them cook there, caramelize. We don't want to overcook them, especially the asparagus or the mushrooms. And don't forget, we have our tomatoes. We'll put them on in a couple of minutes' time because they'll cook quicker than any of our other vegetables. Come in close, have another look at our beautiful Wagyu beef, our steak, our beautiful T-bone steak. Beautiful, flaming up there just a little bit. It's got about 5 minutes to go, and then we're ready to plate it up. Obas. We're just turning over our beautiful steak, just to give it those lines. Now, where are we? There we are. And we're going to do it like that. There we go. Beautiful. So turned it over again. It's been about 5 minutes. I did say about 7 minutes either side. And we're nearly there. So look at this. Obas. A beautiful asparagus. Our mushrooms over here. Come in close and have a look and see how they're cooking. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice and slow. There's no rush. Our beautiful carrots here are caramelizing as well. Look at that. Excellent. Beautiful. Opa. And yes, keeping it simple today for our first meal in our new location. Call it our new outdoor studios for Jack the Greek. A beautiful Wagyu steak with some beautiful vegetables. And now it's time to put on our tomatoes as well. Because we've got about 3 minutes to go before we start plating up. So we'll just put in our tomatoes just like this. And we'll leave it there. And that's it. We'll wait 2-3 minutes. We'll turn over our beautiful steak again. Look at that. Look at that. Look how soft it is. Come in close and have a look at this. Beautiful. Look at that. Soft and moist. Beautiful. Look. Opas. Okay, as you can see, we're nearly there. Look at our beautiful T-bone steak, smoking away. Beautiful, look at that. We've got our mushrooms over here. Come and have a look at them. They're all ready. Our carrots are ready. And I reckon we can turn our steak one more time. Look at that, beautiful. I like it nice and cooked. Charcoal, nice and dark, crisp on the outside. Inside it'll be nice and soft and juicy. So we just turned over our tomatoes. We can probably take off our carrots now. So we'll just put them up like this. We're just going to leave our carrots like that. We've got our mushrooms just over here. Our asparagus just here. And there we go. So we're just getting things ready. Now, our beautiful T-bone steak, we're going to leave it up there. We're going to turn the burners off. We're going to grab our tomatoes and we're going to let that T-bone steak rest for a couple of minutes before we cut it up. There we go, our beautiful roasted tomatoes. Beautiful. There we go. Take them off as well. Excellent. Look at them. Beautiful tomatoes. There we go. Excellent. And we'll leave that in there. We'll give it 5 minutes or 6 minutes just to calm down from its cooking and relax. It's now time to bring out our steak. We've had it resting for about 5 or 6 minutes. And there it is there. Look at that. Beautiful steak. T-bone steak, Wagyu beef. There we go. Now, where do we start? Where does Jack the Greek start with his beautiful steak? How about we just take it off? We'll take it off the bone, just like this. Look at that, beautiful. I did say I want to have it medium rare, and that's what we're going to get. Medium rare. Beautiful. Just like this. So I've got these little bits here, which is the fillet, and we just put that away. And we're just here, just trying to take off the rest of the bone. Just like this. And I'll probably just do this. Let's see, beautiful, the steak. Look at that, medium rare. Beautiful. So we'll put the steak there. We'll move everything over. And with this beautiful steak here, what we'll do is we'll just slice it up. Look at this. Look at this beautiful Wagyu beef. Look at these beautiful slices. Opas. Opas. Look at that. Look at that, beautiful. Beautiful. Holding its moisture and all its juices. Look at that. There it is, beautiful. Again, we've cooked this on the Crossray BBQ. Thanks our friends at Heat Strip and Crossray BBQ for providing our beautiful outdoor kitchen. As you can see, we've moved to our new set now, our new home. And Jack the Greek is cooking for the first time at the new house. And here we are with our beautiful steak. So we have our steak there. We have our fillets here. Let's put them like that. Opa. There we go. Our beautiful fillets. Just like this. Let's just try it. Beautiful. But of course, we just need to put a little bit of salt and pepper on it. Just like this. So this piece here, which was the fillet, we'll slice that up as well. Opa, look at this. Look at this beautiful fillet. Opa. Oh, how could you go wrong? How could you go wrong? Once again, a beautiful meal cooked by Jack the Greek. And it doesn't take long, 15-20 minutes. All it takes to cook on the Crossray BBQ, a beautiful Wagyu beef steak. There you go. We'll just put this under here. Maybe we'll leave a little bit for Nikki. So let's put that underneath. And of course, let's not forget our salt. Beautiful. And all our vegetables as well. Put it on like that. Don't be scared. Plenty of pepper. Like this. There we go. Look at that. And of course, without a bit of olive oil, you wouldn't have it if it wasn't Jack the Greek. So there you go, a bit of olive oil. Put them on your vegetables, on your steak, on your tomatoes, and like this. Got it ready. We put our olive oil on it, our pepper and salt. Kept it simple with just some beautiful vegetables. Our Wagyu, beautiful T-bone steak, all cooked on the Crossray BBQ. And of course, you got to have a drink. And thanks to our friends at Crossray, the outdoor kitchen comes with a beautiful fridge. Enjoy what you like, pick your drink, alcoholic, non-alcoholic, and enjoy your beautiful steak Spring is coming, summer is nearly here. Enjoy your outdoor cooking. Opa from Jack the Greek.